Hi friends, this video shows how to change color format. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to display and sound. Go down. Set advanced display settings. Go down, select color format. See, right now I have selected auto. TV will automatically select best format. If you want to manually set color format, you can select one option from this list. Let me select this 12-bit, then select OK. This way we can change color format. If you don't know what is the best color format, then you can select auto. TV will automatically select one best color format. Let me select OK. This way we can change color format. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.